Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. How are you guys? I hope you guys are well. I hope everything is going good with you guys. But thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm just going to show you guys how I achieved this faux lock look. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and took out a piece right here. Here we go. And we are going to get started. Okay, so a couple of things. Before each section, I probably section my hair off in about 6 big sections, and I made sure I moisturized them just so you know your hair doesn't get dry while they're in the locks or whatever. But I'm just gonna take some leave-in conditioner and I'm gonna put that on to this little piece here because why not, okay? Now also for each lock, I used 1.5 tendrils. And I made sure that I detangled each one, even the one that I'm about to twist into my hair. It just, for me, it just gave me that desired look that I was looking for. And I wanted mine to be a little puffy, a little fluffy, you know, something that wasn't too tight. I didn't want my hair to look tightly wrapped. And also, you guys, the type of hair that I used was the Jamaica braid hair by BOBBI Boss. I'll put the information in the description box because I don't have the package to show you guys because I threw it away. But like I said, so for each twist, 1.5 pieces of hair. Now, after I've moisturized my hair, what I do is I braid it first and then I twist. So I'm going to fold that cut piece in half very loosely. I just add it very loose. I am not pulling this hard at all. And I just braid it down just about there. That's fine. You don't need to go any further than that. And then I loosely 2-strand twist it, like loose. I'm trying to get as much thickness as I want without overdoing it, you know. This is just the size I wanted. If you want to add more, of course, there's other styles where you can make your locks really chunky. But this is about the size that I wanted. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to take the long tendril, the uncut one that's been brushed out, and I'm going to, sorry y'all, and I'm going to line it up along the length of the twist. So boom, just like that. Now, I just want that extra thickness. That's why I did that. Now I'm gonna wrap this at the base 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now after I've wrapped it 5 times, I'm going to begin to wrap the hair down the twist. And what I'm doing as I'm wrapping is I'm making sure that I keep this hair expanded, open, spread out, whatever you want to call it. I want to keep that part open and loose. And I'm just going to wrap this all the way down. And if you see me moving this hand over here, it's because this is tightening up and I do not want that. It tightens up as you wrap the hair, but once you get done, it loosens up again. So don't be too worried about that. But yeah, I'm just going to continue to wrap down. And I don't mind these little pieces poking out where you can kind of see the twist. That's fine with me because I feel like that just adds to the aesthetic of the look that I'm going for. So I'm just going to continue to wrap it down. Okay guys, let me tell you this. If you have too much hair left once you want to stop your dread and you wrap all of that hair around the dread, it will create a bulb, like a heavy, it'll be too heavy on the end of your dread and it will like fall off, okay? It will slide down. That's what's been happening to me. This is actually my first time doing this, but that's what's been happening to me. So make sure you cut off any excess hair. You don't need too much hair to secure the lock at the end. So now I'm just going to take that hair and I'm going to wrap it upward on the lock. Wrap it up. And then I'm going to take those small little itty bitty hairs and I'm going to continue to wrap it. And boom, that is really what I do. Now I'm going to take it and palm roll it pretty hard. Unravel this because it was getting tight. And then I like to just, you know, scoop the hair up along the twist. And also to secure the ends, I burn it. I take my lighter and I go over it and I burn it and I palm roll it. And I do that about 3 times. And that's it. And that is how I did my faux locks. Yes, guys. When you first do your hair and you burn all your locks, this is a fair warning. They become to get stuck together. But I recommend that you dip them. For some reason, it kind of loosens it up and they don't stick as much. But I never dipped my hair. I have washed my hair 4 times with these dreads because I have really bad dandruff, so I have to wash my scalp and I did not want to take my hair down. And so this is still the results after washing my hair for about 4 times, guys. And I just love it so much. What I will say is the older they get, the better they look. Oh my God, the older they get, the better they look. And I just love them so much. If you guys have any questions for me, go ahead and please leave those questions down in the comment section. If you want to see anything in particular from me, go ahead and comment that too in the comment section and let me know. Once again, thank you guys for stopping by. Stick around. There will be more videos to come. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it was easy for you to follow. And thank you so much. Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye.